What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So I've been waiting for this for a while now. It took a while to get here. It came from Italy, so it's finally here. It's the Arrow Sonora for the KTM Super Adventure S 1290. So I'm just gonna do a quick video. It's not very hard to install this thing. It's just a muffler. As well, there's a couple other people that have already installed this exhaust on their bikes. Sam Vincent is one of them. That quite a few owners of 1290 Super Adventure S. So I don't feel like I need to go in depth in terms of installing it. I just want to know. I just want to note that my version seems to have a harder baffle to remove. So this one here is a welded baffle. Not only that it's welded, it's not tack welded. It's more of like a seam weld to the outer edge here. So it's welded together. So what I had to use is it's not perfect. There's I still need to file it down and smooth it out, but there is I use some kind of arts and crafts tool like a Dremel. So basically a Dremel rotary tool, just kind of cutting ever so slightly on the edges until you see the seam, the tack weld kind of split from this piece to the outer piece. So it's just very annoying how they're just really doing this, so it's making it hard for you to remove. It's not just the bolt anymore. So this is just how it is. It is, the regulations. So I chose the black one, black titanium, carbon fiber end cap, and it comes with a carbon fiber kind of heat shield kind of thing, and some bolts. Very easy install. As you can see, the stock one, still have the stock one. It's a very easy install. So it's just this bolt, and this clamp right here, and that's it. So I'm gonna give you guys a sound clip right now of the stock exhaust. Alright guys, I just removed the stock muffler. It's sitting over there. Weight difference wise, I'll tell you it's not that much like savings in weight, but I mean it does look better. That's mainly what it is. I chose the black, so we'll see how it goes with the orange and the black here. But look at this cat right here. I think this is a catalytic converter, right? There's like so many there's two catalytic converters in here. So look how much restriction you're getting right here. So mainly my point is there's not much gain that you're gonna get putting this on other than cosmetic. So but because look at this is what the exhaust is going to. It's crazy. Look at that. All right, let's put this on. All right guys, just finished installing everything. It's already nighttime, so I'm gonna fast forward this video. It's gonna be like 2 seconds for you guys, but I'll be going out, taking a ride, and giving you guys a walkthrough and kind of like a more kind of far view and give you guys a full look of the exhaust and all that. You can see it now. It looks damn good on this color scheme. But I'll give you a sound clip of that outside as well. So stick around. But before we do that, I'm just gonna give you guys a close up. See, really nice quality. Arrow has always been really good. So there you go. Very easy install, but like I said, I don't think it's gonna provide much in terms of performance or sound, but if it gets a little bit deeper, the tone, that's good enough for me. And I'm buying it more for the cosmetic, not really for anything else. So let's go. All right. Let's do this quick start before we ride out. Cold. not so bad. It's not so bad at all. And once you get into the freeway speeds, it gets really like quiet, but like in town you hear the growl. It's not, there's no drone while you're cruising on freeway speeds. So yeah, there's no drone when you're cruising on freeway speeds. There's no drone. I love that. So you can actually still tour on it, but around town you hear the grunt a little deep. It's pretty nice. Really, really good exhaust, actually. Really good design. You know, because you are aiming for, you know, it's a touring bike, it's an adventure bike, so why would you want to have an obnoxious exhaust on it if you're gonna have a daily driver type motorcycle like this one? But when you know, it gives you that little extra punch. That's what I would say. Yeah, pretty satisfied with the purchase.